Kucher Law Group, Brooklyn experienced personal injury attorney, Samantha Kucher. Get in touch. We get paid only if you do. Each year, thousands of Brooklyn residents are involved in accidents and suffer personal injuries caused by the negligent actions of others. At Kucher Law, we have dedicated our practice to the victims of these actions, holding those negligent parties accountable for the harm they do. Of all New York boroughs, Brooklyn sees the highest number of injury-causing accidents. As experienced Brooklyn personal injury lawyers, we are committed to helping those victims get the justice and compensation for their injuries that they deserve. Our skilled team of personal injury attorneys represents victims of car accidents, truck accidents, slip and fall accidents, bicycle accidents, construction accidents, traumatic brain injuries, birth injury, nursing home negligence, medical malpractice. Personal injury lawyer Samantha Kucher discusses car accidents in Brooklyn. Nearly 1 in 5 car accidents in New York City results in an injury. In 2020, despite a decline in car crashes as a whole, the percentage of those causing injuries actually increased. In that year alone, Brooklyn reported the largest share of those traffic accidents with 35,245. In Brooklyn, we see many commonalities that cause car accidents here, including distracted driving, impaired driving, speeding, ignoring traffic signs and signals, following another car too closely, improper lane changes, failing to yield, unsafe backing, unsafe turns. Other factors can contribute to serious car accidents here, including traffic conditions, road and construction hazards, weather, and defective equipment. Truck accidents and injuries in Brooklyn discussed by personal injury attorneys at Kucher Law Group. Navigating Brooklyn's busy streets is difficult enough, but it can be even more dangerous when large trucks are added to the mix. A collision with a large truck can cause more severe injuries and increase the chances of fatality for those in the smaller vehicle. Personal injury cases due to construction accidents in Brooklyn. The construction industry is one of the most dangerous industries in the United States. Because of that, New York has some of the most stringent labor laws protecting employers and others who are injured in construction accidents in Brooklyn. Unfortunately, injuries on Brooklyn construction sites are rarely minor and are often due to the negligence of a property owner or general contractor. These parties who fail to ensure the safety of their employees, vendors, or passers-by should be held accountable. Although most construction employees are protected under workers' compensation insurance, this limits a worker's ability to hold their employer liable for their injuries and is often insufficient to cover all bills as well as the victim's pain and suffering. At Kucher Law, our team of attorneys believes that workers' and victims' rights should be the first priority, and we fight to protect those under New York laws, often by bringing civil suits against the employer or other negligent third party. We do this by collecting extensive evidence to prove the fault of the controlling entity to secure maximum compensation for the injured victim in a Brooklyn construction accident. Trip and fall/slip and fall accidents in Brooklyn explained by New York City personal injury lawyers at Kucher Law Group. Slip and fall or trip and fall accidents are one of the most common causes of injuries in Brooklyn and can result in serious injuries, particularly when they involve older adults or children. When a serious fall occurs on another party's property, the owner of that property can be held responsible for any injuries that were sustained. Getting skilled legal assistance from personal injury lawyers at Kucher Law Group. When you have been injured in an accident in Brooklyn due to the negligence or carelessness of another, you deserve a legal advocate on your side to ensure that you get fairly compensated for your injuries. Although many accidents are covered by insurance, getting fairly compensated by insurance companies often demands a great deal of time, effort, and skillful negotiation. If a fair settlement cannot be reached through negotiation, we never hesitate to take an injury claim before a court of law to achieve success for our clients. At Kucher Law, accident lawyer Samantha Kucher and our team of New York City personal injury attorneys are committed to helping accident victims achieve justice and get the compensation they deserve for their injuries. If you have been injured in an accident in Brooklyn, we will help you understand the value of your personal injury claim and your rights under the law. You never pay unless we secure compensation on your behalf. We are available around the clock. Contact us for a no-cost consultation to discuss your injury claim. Kucher Law Group, Injury Attorney 463 Pulaski, SD #1C, Brooklyn, New York 11221. United States 929 563 67 80 https://www.brooklawgroup.com/Brooklyn Personal Injury Attorney/